Today I'm going to discuss about the date feature for the Java 8. Krishnendu has written some useful functionality. On top of that, I have used the utility function for it, and which would be useful for any Java 8 related date functionality. First, let me discuss about the compare date. That's the comparing between the two date. So here I have that uh, date for the old date, okay, 2014, say 12th October, okay, and you can populate the difference between the present date and the past date. Similarly, you can compare the date difference between the present date and the future date, and the future date you can get like this way, okay. And what is that populate date difference? And populate date difference is that local date, you get the date now, and the date difference past is the you are using the period dot between date now and date others, you will get the difference, okay. So let me check what we get in the result, okay. So first what we get, compare date, okay. So compare date gap, that first one is that past, that is 5 year to 2 month 22 days, and the future is the uh, 14 year 9 month 9 days, okay. So from now onwards, what's the difference? So today is 2020 and now it is the 2034, so 14 year 9 month 9 day, okay. So we can get the date difference, okay. And next, so here we can see that utility function is, we can use the populate date difference. We just have to write this that period, and you can populate the difference with that date, and you will get it, okay. Next one is the comparing time. So here we can add any, say, hours, minute, okay, second. So here I have used like adding hour on the present time, okay. So first thing is that what is the present time, okay. So present time is the time now, okay, local time dot now. Now we have added that, add additional hours, say 5 hours here, okay. So I have to create the duration object from that integer value, and I will get the future time, okay. Time now dot plus will get the future local time. So here we'll get it, that future time. Similarly for the past time, uh, here I have used same thing I have written, but only difference is that time now dot minus, okay. Here the plus function and the minus function, and finally you will get the local time, okay. And here what is the compare time? So future time. So now the time is here 4:32 a.m. Indian time zone, okay. Future time is plus 5 means 9 hour 30 plus 5, and the past time, that is 23:30. It is although it is 4 hour, but minus 5 becoming the previous date, okay. So if you see the gap, okay, present time is 4:30, so it's the Indian time. I'm using the Indian laptop, so you will get the Indian time. So it will get the time zone where the laptop is, okay. So where's the time zone here? uh, Here the time zone is uh, Kolkata time zone 4:33, okay. And so the gap time is actually not correct, so it's a 14 hour it should be like 10 I mean 10 hours. Okay, so it should not be correct. So if I change it to different, say 1 hour, okay, you will get that 2 hour time difference. Let me see what's the output here. Here we can see that 2 hour, okay, because there is after 12 a.m. in the night, then it can't calculate the proper time gap. Okay, so time gap you have to give the date also. Okay, so time gap is not correct, but the if it is within the same date, you can calculate it. Okay, so this way you can calculate and compare the time. Okay, now print the present date in different format. Okay, so here what I have done, I have given with the multiple date format. Say I mean according to the date format I will get the date. Okay, here I have given dd YYY, hour, minute, second. Now see what I get here. Today is first, here it is dd, so 3rd January 2020. Let me show what's the time now. It's the 3rd January, okay, 2020, and you will get this format. And next one you will get another format ddmmyy, so 3/1/2020. Another one, it's a US time format mmddyy 1/3/2020. So the useful function here, this is the useful function, you can utilize it, so we can get the time accordingly. Okay, so this is for print the present date. Okay, suppose you want to print the specific date. For example, here I want to print the republic date. Okay, of India, 26 January 1950. Here you will see that what I have used, the function here, this is the utility function. I have given the pattern, year, month and day. What I will get? I will get in particular format. Okay, ddmmyy. Okay, so here you have to give the format, year and date, and you will get the date in specific format. Okay, so accordingly the format you will get the date and time. Okay, next one is time zone. It's very difficult to track the time zone, right? When you are traveling in flight, the time zone is changing, keep changing. Okay, so here what I have done, first thing is that where the application is running, my laptop is set with the Calcutta time zone, okay, or India time zone. So here if you check that what is the time zone here, present time zone is 3/1, and what's the time, 4:33. Okay, and here you will see that 4:37. If you run it again, you will see the difference again, it will change to 4:37. So it will get the local time. Okay, on top of that you will get the different time zone, you have to put the ID. So first one you will get that 4:37 present time zone, and you are putting the different time zone ID. PST zone ID, I know US Pacific, EST time zone US Eastern. Okay, so accordingly I put it that utility function is here. So here I put that time zone, and here the date time format and the zone ID, and I have given the date time format, so you can change it accordingly and you will get it. Okay, and so this utility function you can utilize it. Okay, hope you like it. Thanks Krishnendu for sharing this Java8 functionality for the date. Thanks for watching. Bye.